Hello there, Capricorn. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan. Returning is Tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link down below lamang po sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya kung interesado kayo for more collective readings, no, para kahit anong zodiac sign naman yon, click lang yan para makarating kayo there. Dalnim ang ating other channel, which means Goddess of the Moon in Korean. Okay? So, yun nga mga babes, mga tayo dito na gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat tayo welcome. Possible din mag-switch ang roles kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And of course, no, timeless din tayo dito, no? And please only take yung mga mensaheng nag-connect sa'yo. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano ang plano nitong person na to, strongly connecting sa energy mo. Cups. So let us all see. So Archangel Michael, maraming salamat, Angel Guides. Can we get messages about the plans or movements nitong tao na to na kumukonect kay Capricorn? By the way, cross-watchers ni Capricorn or may Capricorn placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. Just take only what resonates, okay? So feel free talaga, no, na i-claim lang yung mga resonating messages sa'yo. Okay, let's take a look at these energies para sa person na ito na connecting sa'yo. Cups. So, meron ditong Justice. Page of Coins. Three of Coins. Magician. World energy, three major arcanas popping out right here. Page of Wands. Four major arcanas now, five major arcanas, six major arcanas, death or rebirth, hermit, and the hierophant energy. So definitely, this person here, no, ay ginaguide ni universe at ng kanyang mga angels or guardian angels papunta sa'yo. This person here is not your ex-lover. Hindi pa kayo naging kayo ng taong ito. But this person here wants to explain, wants to confess, wants to tell you at handa na siya ritong aminin at panindigan na ang kanya ritong emosyon para sa'yo. This person ay manifesting not just a conversation here with you guys, not just ang maayos na confession sa'yo, Capricorn, kundi talagang pagbubukas ng iyong puso para sa kanya, paghingi ng tsansa or permission, no, na mahalin ka. Plano niyang humingi ng permission to love you. This person here, Capricorn, is someone who is excited, no, to start his or her new chapter here with you guys. This person, plano kanya dito na makasama sa kanyang mga travels. Maybe this person here travels a lot because the world right in here is an indication that this person here no already no ay nakarating na sa mga different beautiful tourist spots or beautiful places here, pwedeng inside the country and even other countries as well. This person here ay someone no na nakikita ko dito na magaling siya mag-manage ng kanyang financial at nakikita ko no na may nakalaan for travel, may nakalaan for the needs no sa house, sa home, sa family, no, magaling siya ditong mag-budget or mag-manage ng kanyang pinansyal, no. Nakita ko rito na pagdating sa work, kontento siya, no, parang permanente na siya dun sa pinagtatrabahuhan niya. Satisfied naman siya sa kung ano yung kanya ritong kinikita at masaya siya sa kanyang trabaho, no. Puwedeng katrabaho mo rin itong person na 'to, but this person here is someone na in love with you. So, plano niya rito na humingi ng permission to love you. And with this death or rebirth right in here, no, it's your call daw kung ibibigay mo yung permission na yan sa kanya. But this person here will be grateful, like so grateful, okay, if you're gonna say yes, kahit dun pa lang sa panliligaw or courtship stage. Ang taray! So, Capricorn, nakikita natin dito na kung sino man ito 'no, tahimik lang siya na person, pero wala naman sa loob ang kanyang kulo. Siya yung klase ng energy 'no, na nag-iisip bago magsalita. This person here is someone as well na simple lang dito sa kanyang pananamit, kilos at galaw. This person here pagka masaya siya, talagang makikita mo yun sa kanyang aura and yung iba sa facial expression mismo niya. This person here 'no, ay someone na puwedeng mababaw lang, mabilis siyang matawa sa kahit hindi masyadong nakakatawang joke. Gano'n ko siya nakita. This person right in here 'no, is someone na, oo, quiet siya 'no, puwedeng a little bit shy, pero pagka naka-close niya na or nakapalagayan niya na ang isang person 'no, madaldal or nagiging madaldal na siya. So, I do see that maybe this person right in here ay someone connected sa'yo sa work or sa negosyo kung meron ka nun. But this person here 'no, ay someone matagal nang nililihim 'no, medyo matagal-tagal na rin na may gusto siya sa'yo. Finally, gusto niya na itong ilabas 'no, speak out this truth that this person here likes you nung umpisa, tapos na-develop into feelings, naging love na. And I do see that this person right in here wants na dumaan sa tamang process yung kanya ritong panliligaw or lahat ng gender dito ba, lalaki, LGBT, dumaan kayo sa getting to know stage 'no, and then friendship, if that's what you want, no? Taking this connection slowly so that maging mas panatag, mas komportable ka, mas familiar ka sa kanya, mas makalala mo siya, no? Mas gusto niya yun. Okay? So, whoever this energy is, very gentle, gentle man na guy, no? Or wala tayong gender dito, basta this person here is very warm, sweet, loving, caring, no? And I do pick up na wala ka ng mahihiling pa. Love mo ito. Sisiguraduhin nitong person na 'to na mai-inlove ka sa bawat galawan niya. Baka masanay ako diyan, miss 'yan, 'yan, oo. Okey lang, masanay ka sa ganitong klase ng setup 'no, na kanya rito na gagawin 'no, to show you how much you are ka-special sa kanya. Kasi hindi naman niya planong baguhin 'yan, even na maging kayo na, even na maging kasal pa kayo, even na parang tumatanda na kayo 'no. Walang mababago diyan because this person is not someone na magaling lang sa umpisa. This person here, okay, when he or she loves someone, this person's very consistent, okay? Nothing will change, okay? Wale. Kaya nakikita natin dito that this person right in here is someone who's very perfect for you because I do pick up that when it comes to your world, no, I don't know, there's a lot of things going on in your world right now na marami kang inaasikaso, may mga problema ka rin, no, especially sa side ng home, okay, and finances, no. Perfect siya dito, no, for you because this person here mababalance niya yung energy mo sa magulo mong world or sa busy mong world, okay, either doon. But this person here is someone who's gonna be your pahinga kasi nakikita natin dito that this person right in here is someone who will definitely, give you that kind of fresh air, okay, na parang nagiging katuldok or sisiw lang lahat ng problemang inaasikaso mo because of his or her presence. So, ganda yun, yung mahahanap mo yung taong pahinga mo. Ay, yun eh. So, in other words, parang stress reliever or magiging stress reliever mo siya, Capricorn. So, I do pick up that this person here, maybe this person here loves wearing hoodies or jackets. Okay, so just take only what resonates. This person here, aside from nakarating siya ng iba't ibang places or every parts of the world na rin, or the globe, I do see this person right in here also is someone na parang gusto niyang i-push yung, hindi naman maggi-gym, pero parang gusto niya rito i-push yung healthy lifestyle. After meeting you, mas gusto niya pang maging healthy para mas maalagaan ka pa niya. See? After meeting you, gusto niyang alagaan yung sarili niya para mas mabuhay siya ng mas mahaba para mas maalagaan ka niya. Ot, na ba? So, whoever this energy is, this type of energy right in here is someone who wants to take care of you, no, as long as he or she lives sa earth. See? Wow. So, initials right in here that I'm seeing for this person, we have here capital letter G, capital letter J, capital letter L, capital letter R, capital letter M, and capital letter L. Four small letters I'm seeing right in here, I. For I, maaari pong itong more than one. Possible pa nga na sa iba ay three. Kaya naman just take only what resonates here. We also have here small letter T, small letter E, small letter N, small letter G, and small letter C. So, yun yung mga nakita natin ditong initials. Wow, you are being partnered up right in here, no, with your perfect match. And I do see that you will be loved sobra dito sa person na to, no, and para kanyang ibe-baby dito. So, yeah, again, I'm Yuriana only for the girls and Yana Duna for the boys. Thank you so much, Caps, for giving me this privilege to see these messages for you. Again, sarang love and light. Annyeong.